Hi there everyone, today I'm here to talk to you about Marathon. Oh my goodness, Marathon is coming out next week and I cannot stress how excited I am about it. I've been telling all my friends to join the Server Slam event, which is coming out this week from 26th of February to the 2nd of March, I believe. Yes, I am actually correct. I'm fact checking it right now. From the 26th of February to the 2nd of March. That is going to be the Server Slam event. So make sure you're there to enjoy what is Marathon. But before we take a moment and talk about Marathon, I want to talk to you about the last game that thoroughly changed my life. And that game is Destiny. Now this game that I booted up more than a decade ago, it led me to make lifelong friends. That game was phenomenal. And you may be asking, why? Well, the answer is very simple. The gameplay was so good, and it was just addictive enough that it made people come back wanting for more. People returned, bonds were formed, friendships were made, and oh my goodness, the raids in that game was just the pinnacle of video games. But I can go on and on about Destiny. Today, we're here to talk about Marathon. Now, I talked about Destiny because I feel like there might just be a glimmer of a chance that this new game, Marathon, could surpass Destiny. For Marathon, the gameplay is just simply amazing. I believe 99.99% out there would agree with me. It is fast and snappy, not clunky at all. The design, oh my god, now that's just a chef's kiss. And there is a serious depth here. We aren't just talking about different looks, we're talking about 7 unique runner shells from the get-go. Let me break it down for you real quick. First, we have the Destroyer, your combat specialist with a barricade and missiles. Next, we have the Assassin, who can turn invisible and drop smokes. The Recon, tracking enemies with drone. The Vandal, super agile with double jumps and power slides. I'm going to be using that. The Thief, who can literally see and steal loot through walls. The Triage, a medic who heals and buffs teammates. And last, and certainly the least, the Rook, a solo player shell for those who want to drop in with nothing to risk at all. Each one of these runner shells has its own uniqueness, and that kind of variety is exactly what keeps a game alive. And I, at the very least, from this point, I can see this game doing really well. Now, after watching many gameplays videos, reading up on the details, I personally am very excited about Marathon. Now, what about you? Will you be taking part in the Server Slam? And afterwards, what are the odds of you buying it? I personally will be in the Server Slams. Only for a day or two. Busy life. I have my IRL stuff to deal with. But if I have an absolute blast playing it, I can guarantee you I'm going to be buying it and I'm going to be covering more of Marathon. Tell me what you think below.